Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how you can make a unicorn diary at home. So these are some notepad pages that I've taken, and this is a cardstock, a white cardstock. It is same size of the pages. Then you go ahead and leave some space from the edges and mark it down so you can have a cover page for your diary like this. This is where you mark the middle and flip it over so you can get this exact same size on the other side like this. Go ahead, fold it, and then you have a cover for your pages. After that, take this paper, you go and check it that it's not coming out from the cover, and staple them. You can also glue them or use hot glue for that, but I'm going to use a stapler like this. So you go ahead and glue them. After that, add face. Then you can add details. And this is the completed notepad, diary, whatever you want to call it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Please like, share and subscribe.